Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to unbox Lenovo S145 laptop. So this one I ordered from Flipkart.com. So during the sale I ordered this product. So I got it around some 29,000 rupees. Okay, during this offers. So this is an unboxing video. I just want to see how it is. I'll leave the profile link in the description below. You can, if you're interested, go to purchase. And this is not a sponsored video, guys. This is like I added for my personal use. Okay, so this is just an unboxing video. So this is a Core i3 variant. It has like a Core i3 10th generation with 1 GHz processor, and it's a 4 GB variant, and it comes with a Windows 10 Home Edition and also MS Office included. Okay. And also here we will see, right, the price I mentioned is around 42,000. Okay. Yeah, let's unbox it. Yeah, this is a gray color actually. Yeah. S145, okay, and it's requires warranty and everything. So this is like a Windows 10, and this is a power adapter. It's like a regular power adapter, guys. Actually, it comes with the Lenovo. You wanna have other Lenovo laptop. Yes, I mean some kind of 3 series. I mean S3100 series, something like that. So I have similar this one charger. Okay. Yes, guys, this is the actual laptop. Okay. Okay. This dimension S145. It's a two-side narrow and stylish Dolby audio. Okay, and it's like a bezels is really good. Also, I can feel like it's really good, and the quality is very good. So I feel so. It comes with Windows 10. Okay. Yeah, let's switch on now. Let's switch on. Maybe it's not on charging, not starting it. So let me connect the charger cable. Yeah, connected the power cable. Now just switching on. It's coming up. Yeah, it's coming up. It's not what I mean is it's not a SSD one. Okay, whatever it is, it's not an SSD one. So this is a regular I mean the 1 TB storage. So 15.6 inches one, so it's like a full HD with a backlit anti-glare display. Okay, and it's a light laptop without an optical disc. Okay, it does not come with any kind of optical disc, and also it's a Stalin portable laptop. Okay, and I've seen like kind of good reviews that are there in the Flipkart. Okay, so now the current price is 32,900 rupees. I'll leave link in the description below if you're interested. You can go and purchase. Okay, so also they're giving some kind of additional warranty, but you need to opt for it. Okay. I think it's very smooth to use. I think the keys are very good. It's taking some time. I'll pause the video till it comes back. There is a Lenovo S145. So this is like a Core i3 variant I purchased from Flipkart.com. So sorry about this, guys. Actually, this is like a bad review I want to do because it's not performing as expected. So by looking at this configuration, right, Core i3 variant and 10th generation. So I brought this laptop. Yeah, from flipkart.com. So, and also the first thing it disappointed me is by looking at the screen that viewing angles is not really good. So I will show you like how the viewing angle is. Okay, yeah, so this is how the viewing angle looks like. Okay, and coming to this it comes with only 4 GB RAM, right? Actually only 4 GB RAM it comes with. Okay, so and also there are a lot of other variants, guys. Actually, even in the same S145 series, I could see there are laptops with a 4 gig and 250 GB SSD which comes in even, but the price could vary for that. So I purchased for other laptop. Yeah, maybe that is could be not of the that could be out of the stock for now. Let me check like my configuration. Okay. Yes, guys, I just logged in. Sorry about that. I'll remove this configuration. This things. Okay, so there you are. So this is my login account informations. Yeah, this is a laptop I purchased, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is the one. So I got it around some 29,150 rupees. Okay. So this is like a 4 GB and 1 TB, 1 TB HDD hard disk. Okay. Um, yeah, coming to this configuration side actually, so what are the difficulties I was facing? Okay, so it's very difficult, guys. Actually, most of the times, right, your CPU will be hitting like 100%. Okay, so here if you're seeing in my, I just opened the task manager. If you could see the CPU sitting like almost 100% all the time, and also memory, it's not really sufficient, guys. Actually, the Windows itself is using like almost all of your memory. I didn't open any of the tabs. If you could see, right, I opened only flipkart.com. For that, actually, the memory is almost it shoot up like 84 gigs. Okay, if that is the case, like how I could use applications and how I could do some kind of any kind of programming or any kind of basic things, it's very difficult to do with this kind of disk configuration, guys. Could have actually, they could have given only that upgraded like a 8 GB variant. Okay, they could have not listed it out with this 1 TB and 4 GB variant, guys. Okay, so that's what I was feeling. It's very difficult to work with us. Actually, it's very lagging. Even some of the installations were failing for that. Okay, and here is a bad reviews I could see. Okay, for example, for this variant, right, actually, yeah, the price is 31,990, and we could see, right, like a lot of people are, they're giving a lot of bad reviews, guys. Okay, the battery is not good, the performance not good, and even the camera quality is not good. Yeah, camera quality maybe I'll show you right now because I'm using a screen recorder on the same laptop, guys. Okay, so that I could not able to see physically. I will not able to show you physically, guys, but it's this is how it visually appears. Okay, yeah, I think it's not accessible because I was recording the screen, right? Okay, that's fine. And also like they have a lot of people purchase these laptops, and most of the people have given a lot of like bad review, guys. Okay, there are a lot of people are facing the same issues. Okay, it's like that thing is worthless, very slow, waste of money, so many things. Okay, very slow, and lag problem is there, that one is there. And also one guy like I've seen, right, actually one guy, they mentioned he has mentioned some kind of very good ratings. Okay, but the thing is what he has done is he has upgraded that laptop with a like additional 8 GB and SSD. That's the thing he has mentioned. So only if you could do, right, actually I checked the internet. Okay, for example Amazon.com. Hmm. Yeah, M2 SSD. Okay, yeah, this is MCSD. Actually, I checked in that questions and answer sections. Looks like this laptop is supporting. Okay, because so what happens, and also one more thing I noticed is actually this laptop has, right, it has like an inbuilt memory of 4 gigs. Okay, so it's like a soldered, you cannot able to remove it. Okay, but it provides an additional, because if you could see, right, there are only two slots available. One slot is already soldered and the other slot is not soldered. Okay, I mean that means like you can add an additional. Okay, I would suggest you to go for if you have this kind of this laptops, you can go for additional 8 GB, so that'll give really a good performance boost. And also like memory cannot the CPU cannot do anything, but gradually, right, like best if you could upgrade your SSD and memory, right, obviously this would come down, guys. Actually, that's what I was doing. Okay, and also even I could see some kind of good reviews from other persons as well, for they actually upgraded this RAM and SSD. Actually, yeah, see guys, see guys. Okay. This rating is provided after the system RAM and SSD upgrade. Very good purchase for this company. The product is always very was very slow to start and work, but after upgrading to 8 GB RAM and 128 GB SSD and costs almost 40 together, the laptop become a super performance. You need to install the window. You don't need to. You need to reinstall the Windows, but license will be automatically deducted. This rating is provided. Okay, so you'll be getting like 4 rating there is provided. Okay, so this needs these two things. Okay, generally this laptop is very good, guys. Okay, and if you still want to go for this, you can. I would really suggest you to go for upgrade these two things. After that, your system will be like super fast. Okay, and also like some people has like posted that SS. I think it's no, okay. So see, guys, the memory it's like almost is using. Okay, it's sitting in the top almost. Okay, all the time. Yeah, disk obviously like it's 100% its utilization. And also it varies, but most of the times I could see CPU also it's more. So it's very difficult to use this laptop actually for beginners. The reason if I could able to open all the browse and all the things is like because of this USB drive ingested. Okay, so I ingested in I inserted a USB drive. There's an option called ready to boost. Okay, so this ready to boost provides is like it provides like Windows 10 or Windows 7 or laptops. Actually, it uses your, yeah, this USB drive as a temporary space. Okay, to cache the recently stored. I mean to cache recent files so that your files are faster. Okay, so if you could enable, right, actually Windows will create one kind of drive. For example, it's using currently it's using 3.9 gig as a ready booster cache. Okay, so that the performance will be good. So I could see like after this one, after I enable this option, right, I could see some kind of performance boost. There are so many things. I could open so many things. It feels like installed as some kind of RAM, but it's a temporary, guys. Okay, I would really recommend you to go for an upgrade this laptop, memory and SSD. Okay, that's all about it, guys. Actually, if you have any questions, you can post in the comment section. Yeah, I'll also leave a link in the description below for these products. Okay, I always been fan of the Lenovo, but unfortunately they have provided some kind of not very good configuration this time. uh, yeah, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.